Hello, this is David down at Crosstown Chrysler in Edmonton, Alberta. And from the used car superstore is this 2015 Dodge Durango Special Services Vehicle, all-wheel drive, in a brilliant black crystal pearl exterior. Let's take a closer look right now. Giving power to this Special Services Durango is the legendary and reliable HEMI 5.7-liter V8 engine. Puts out a great balance of both performance and fuel efficiency. It is pretty quiet when it's just idling, but when you put your foot down, you'll want to go. That HEMI engine delivers a sound like no other. This Durango has a proximity key fob. On it, you'll find an unlock button, a lock button, and a panic button. You do need the key fob on you if you want to start up this Durango. There is a key that comes out of the key fob in case you need it. You can use the key to unlock and open up the liftgate. There you go. This Durango has LED taillights and an LED racetrack style light bar that looks futuristic and is unique compared to other vehicles. Dual exhaust tips out the back with chrome around the tips. Of course, you have your rear window wiper. Power adjustable driver's seat. Automatic headlamps and fog lights. Power mirrors, power windows, power locks, window lock, automatic front windows. Spacious and lockable glove box with nice materials. There is a user guide. Feel free to read it whenever you want. There are back seat directional air vents. Passengers, whoever they might be, can easily adjust their airflow. Fold down back seat middle armrest with two big cup holders. Because this is a special services vehicle, you never know who's been or who's going to be in the back seat of this vehicle. So there aren't any rear climate controls. This would be where they would be. So that's what this dome is, up high in the back seat area. But don't let that cool you off. There are still directional air vents throughout and reading lamps. Cloth interior seating throughout. There's still plenty of foot space in the back seat area, along with plenty of headroom. This is the back of the Dodge Durango. Because this is a special services vehicle, it does not have the rear row seating area. Instead, there is many storage areas, so you can have whatever you want with you. If you look down below here, using one of your hands, you can open this up, and there's actually quite a bit of space in here. So as you can see, you can keep many things in here. They'll be out of sight and secure. And there's also storage areas on the right and left sides. There's also a 12-volt DC power outlet back here, so you can power things up. Hooks so you can hang up bags. And right here, there's even more storage space. There's your jack storage. You'll see hooks, and these hooks are useful in case you need to tie something down in the back of this Dodge Durango Special Services vehicle. Easily fold down the back seats. Bam. Now you can see with the back seats down, there is a tremendous amount of space for many different things. That's why people doing special services with this Durango like vehicles like this, just because they're very versatile. It's great to have all that extra space. There are convenience lights on the liftgate. There are handles on both sides in the back seat area, so passengers can easily get in. Let's hop inside and take a closer look right now. In the front, up above, there is the famous dome light for service vehicles. Here is the switch for it. You have your main light, then you can turn it off, go this way, and it's the red light for when it's very, very dark. It's good for your eyes. Leather wrapped steering wheel, feels great in the hands. Cruise control on the right. Using buttons on the left side of the steering wheel, you can go through the driver information center screen. There are paddle shifters behind the steering wheel. This is also a telescoping steering wheel. Bluetooth controls on the left here with a voice recognition button. And behind the steering wheel, you'll find steering wheel mounted audio controls. Allows you to adjust your volume, go through your presets, and more. Only 73,199 kilometers on this Durango service vehicle. Not very much at all. LCD driver information center. Good looking instrument cluster. This Durango has rear ParkSense parking sensors, and when you throw it into reverse, they'll show up on the screen here, warning you how close you're getting to an object, and you'll also hear audible beeps. As well, there is a backup camera that appears on the touchscreen Uconnect system, and if you turn the wheel, the guidelines move as you turn the wheel. Push button start. In the middle, there is an upper storage compartment as well as a lower storage compartment with a 12-volt DC power outlet in there and a convenient light. Leather padding for the arm. Right here, you'll have your all-wheel drive auto and your low range, so you can switch between those two. There are two large cup holders, and right here is the rotary style selector. There is another 12-volt DC power outlet right here for you. Also some space here for things. There's also a USB port, an auxiliary port, and an SD card port. This is the touchscreen Uconnect system. It has AM, FM, and SIRIUSXM support. Bluetooth and voice recognition, pair multiple devices, make hands-free phone calls, as well as play music off of Bluetooth devices. Media here, so if you have something plugged into the USB port, the auxiliary port, or something in the SD card port, or something connected to Bluetooth, go here and you can choose which area that you want to listen to music through. There's also a nice large compass there for you. Climate, this does have dual climate control up front, and you can sync the temperatures or not have them synced. And you can easily adjust the rear climate. Though there are no controls in the back, there is control up here. There you go, easily adjust where you want the air to go. You can set the temperature, adjust the fan speed, and more. Go more here. There is a large clock. You can easily adjust many different settings. This does have an auto dimming rear view mirror, and the mirror dimmer is right there. There are reading lamps, and there are spotlight lamps, and a sunglasses holder, and great visibility out the front window. You now know what it is. It's the 2015 Dodge Durango Special Services Vehicle in a brilliant black crystal pearl exterior, powered by the HEMI 5.7 liter V8 engine. It has all-wheel drive. It is clean, it is spacious, has storage for many different things, and is unique. Definitely come down to Crosstown and take a look at this beautiful rig in person. I'm your man, David, and I'll talk to you later. Yeah.